Hello, welcome back to Phrenology. My name is Daniel, and behind the camera, my sister Bella.
Hello!
And today we are going to be showing you how to make mini puffs. So here we have lined up in front of us 5 by 5 inch phyllo dough, cube squares. And what we're going to do is we're going to cut them in half, into fourths actually. We're going to cut them into fourths. So you can stop. Okay, so now that we've cut them all into fourths, we're going to make the stuffing. So we have 6 eggs. And then we're also going to add the cheese. And for the cheese, we have feta cheese. And we're going to add a good amount of cheese. And we're going to crumble it up. And then we're going to use a fork to mix up the cheese and the eggs. So the first time I remember eating these things, these puffs, was, I don't remember how old I was, but we had a big cardboard box, and I sat in there watching a movie, and every now and then I would come back outside of my box and come out and grab some in a plate, and then go back in, watch a movie. They're just really good. So once we've crushed all the big pieces, which I still have to do, we are gonna take our pan, and we're not gonna spray it because the dough already has butter in it. So we're gonna stuff the forks into the pan, which we have not sprayed because the dough has enough butter in it. Okay, so we've filled up the pan, but we have more, so we're going to do a second batch. And now we're going to take the cheese and eggs that we made, and we're going to put a spoonful in each of the little puffs. So now that we have filled them up, we're going to clean the tray so that the cheese on the side does not burn. So the timer just rang, so we're going to take them out. And they look pretty good. And the way to tell if they're ready, if they're golden brown, that's when they're ready. So now we're going to take them out into a wire rack so they can cool down. And these are your puff dough pastries.